Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, and today is also an awesome day on Tesla. As what I said yesterday, that we had a good breakout on Tesla stock, and this is a really strong green demand candle. Any pullback on this would just be a buy as long as we are above this blue box, that is from the level of 186 all the way up to 191. That pullback is just a buy. Well, we didn't get any strong pullback. We still had a green candle. Whatever pullback came at one of our levels, significant level 194, that got bought back up. Now, there are two things here I want to talk about. First of all, if you have access to my tools that marks these automatic levels, these are the settings right now I'm using. So one of the levels, I have adjusted the timeline, and this is something you have to do based off of where the price action is. You can move the timeline, and I have moved it back over here on the last year, pretty much a year out. So if you're a member and if you have access to my tools, you can just adjust this setting here. That will be the best optimal level setting right now for where the price action is at the moment. So you can see precisely we held that significant level today, that into the pullback, and then our top range was also at one of the significant levels, this black dotted line where the blue box is as well, but this the dashed line, the black one, is also marked by my indicator automatically. We went all the way high up till there. But yeah, so guys, price action is still bullish, but before going further, I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. Can't remember if I said it, so I want to just say it. All right. So now, from where we are right now, Tesla is still fully bullish. Now, this is the blue box. As I have been saying, that just a little bit be careful at this blue box, because this is where overhead resistance of 200 days moving average is coming. I do expect some, again, well, this is where we have to see the price action, so just keep an eye open here, because this is where we have previous lot of price reactions. So I'm expecting a price reaction in this zone again. And what you have to watch is it going to go straight rip through the 200 days moving average, or it's going to underneath starts to do this consolidation, and a little bit of then pullback may come. So I mean, any partial profits needs to be taken, they need to be taken here. I have already started to take, again, my channel is to educate you what to look for in the price action, but I have my, if you have been following my videos, long back ago, I talked to you guys that I'm still building into the position here for my long-term Tesla portfolio, right? So I have started to take very little out here in my long-term portfolio that I have of Tesla, some partial position, because it's getting to the place where I expect a price reaction. And if pullback comes, I would want to buy into a pullback more, but in the extensions, I like to take profits. But the positions that I built back then over here in this zone, this is where I want to take some partial profits out, and I'm doing that. You can go and do whatever you like, but this is just my way of trading. So I'm not going to get fully out. I'm still going to hold my position. I have a really good price on in my long-term position of Tesla. So I want to keep holding into it, but I want to take partial profits out and buy those into the pullbacks again for the positions that I took out, right? So things like that. All right, so yes, speaking of that blue box, that's where I expect some price reaction. If it happens, it will happen here. Otherwise, we're gonna straight shoot out of it. And that will open up a really good door for Tesla stock to then go up to not just 212, I would say then we are targeting 200 weeks moving average. So, but yeah, on the weekly interval, you can see Tesla is looking so awesome, guys. Like this pattern on the weekly interval, inverted head and shoulder, is no kidding. All right, it's no kidding. This is setting up for a really good, beautiful move, guys. I mean, again, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. That's why we have stop losses. But just looking at it, there's just more probability that we can continue higher on Tesla stock. So this is looking really great to me. We have gotten out of that lower moving channel for which we have been for more than a year now. Finally got out of it with a good pattern, inverted head and shoulder. All right, let's go back to the, now let's go to the hourly interval, and let's talk about potential trades that could also be taken for tomorrow. So today's pullback at one of our significant level was just got bought back up, right? Like it never fell lower than that, just got bought back up, right? and yeah, we have been going higher. So for tomorrow, yeah, as long as either we stay up where we are, we can continue higher. As long as we hold 20 hours moving average tomorrow as well, it's still a long play, pullback or long play. And any weakness at this point would be below 20 hours moving average, but so far you can see that's been held properly. So yes, very simple. It's still an upside play as long as we stay above 20 hours moving average. Simple. If we lose 20 hours moving average, I don't expect it to go below 194 tomorrow, but anything is possible. If we lose 194, then possibly that play would open up to 191. But yeah, Tesla until then, blue box is still overall structure on this on from the daily interval is still going to be bullish. If that pullback comes, that will just, if that sell off comes, that will just be a pullback until the blue box. Yeah, Tesla is really looking strong, really looking great, and even today's pullback just got bought back up. All right, let's take a look at QQQ and SPY in this video. I won't get time to do QQQ and SPY separately with tech stocks today. So let's take a look at QQQ and SPY here. So SPY, technically structure is still bullish, guys, as what I have been saying, and today was also a buy on this thing. We are, well, if from here, let's say without breaking above the level of 546 and 97 cents, if SPY breaks below the level of 544, some cool off may continue down to 20 days moving average, but nothing more than that, only if that level breaks tomorrow, 544. Otherwise, yeah, it can just stay up here and continue higher. There is still no sign of downside on the overall structure. On the hourly interval, yeah, in the post market it's going up as well, and on the hourly interval, guys, it's still strong. You can see all these pullbacks got bought back up. Overall structure is still bullish, right? Just above 200 hours moving average, we are getting bought back up, and I'm still not seeing any bearishness in the price action. Breakout of a level of 546 and 93 cents is a continuation to the upside. All right, cool. Let's take a look at QQQ. Let's go to the daily interval first. Yeah, structure on this thing is still bullish, guys. Still bullish. Yeah, that's what I have been saying, right? Into this pullback as well. After, once we got this level, anything until 20 days moving average structure is just still bullish. All those pullbacks are still just getting bought back up. Technically, it has a direction of until 486, and then we'll see if it does a pullback again. But structure on this is still bullish. I don't think I even need this blue box anymore here, because yeah, even now this level at 470, at 20 days moving average, you can take it simply. As long as we are above it, structure is still bullish on this thing. Hourly interval, you can see, yeah, any pullback on this is also getting bought back up. We got bought back up at 200 hours moving average. After that, all the pullbacks are still getting bought back up, and in the post market today also it's going up. Even for today, intraday, as long as we are not breaking below now 480 and 81 cents, it can just stay up here, and pullbacks can be just bought back up on this thing as well. Cool, okie dokie. Well, guys, yeah, market is still very strong. Very strong market still. So yeah. Anyways, I gave you the levels, sentiment as well, everything. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.